They built a world of mirrors, where truth is fractured, then fiction is fed like wine to the masses. Behind the veil of everyday reality, a hidden order orchestrates the grand illusion. Not through armies or weapons, but through something far more insidious, the manipulation of perception itself. They studied the soul. They mapped the mind. They found the key: light, sound, vibration. And with it, they tuned the human instrument. In sterile rooms and classified facilities, programs like MKUltra and the Gateway Project peeled back the layers of human consciousness. What they discovered changed everything. The mind, they learned, is not a fortress. It's a radio, constantly receiving signals, constantly being programmed. The masses cling to their illusions like barnacles on a sinking ship, never questioning the very foundation of their reality. They worship the system that enslaves them, defend the lies that bind them. But something is shifting. The carefully constructed matrix of control is showing cracks. Those who were cast out as pariahs, the truth-tellers who were silenced and ridiculed, are finding their voices again. But the illusion is thinning. The pariahs are rising, and the barnacles are learning to swim. The awakening has begun. The question is not whether the truth will emerge, but whether humanity is ready to see it.